Hello everybody, we're going to be printing 4-color process today. These screens were actually coded, exposed, developed, registered, anything in last week's 3-day pro class. And I liked it so much that we went ahead and we're going to leave it set up for next week, next Friday, April 26th, we are having our open house. And this will be one of the 3 designs that we will be printing. Stop by, get a taco, have a beer, and get a free t-shirt. This right here is 60 LPI on 230 mesh. We are using the Nortec Eco frames, very cool. We're going to be printing processed yellow. We're using a hard flood. And we're going to print all 4 colors exactly the same. Nice. Oh. Even firm pressure, blades are not rolling. We hear that nice whistle. That. There is our yellow. We're doing our magenta. We are printing lightest to darkest YMCK. And the easiest way to remember that is it's fun to print at the YMCK. Learned that 30 years ago, and it has stuck with me to today. It's the most common print order for screen printing to get your brightest colors. And now we're going to do cyan. Same thing. Nice whistle. Now we can see so far we've got good bit of color, but it's not much detail. Once we put the black to give us our contrast. And the same 2 strokes, hard flood, and we are done. There is our print. Screenprint is art. Got our cool night club dogs. We'll take this off, go running through the dryer, and let you guys get a closer look. We're drying with the Vastex Big Red 4D. Got Newton there. He is our shop dog, keeping an eye, production manager, quality control. We will be printing on All Made shirts. All Made is sponsoring our open house and classes now. If you want to stop by the open house, we'll have manufacturers reps here from Matsui. Jesse's going to be doing a water base and discharge seminar. We'll have Saati here going over emulsion and chemicals and automatic screen coder. Kyle will be from Exile with the Spider CTS system and the V-Lux glassless exposing system. We have got Scott and Mark Vastex, the president of Vastex, will be here answering questions, doing demonstrations on that. So it's going to be an awesome open house. And this will be one of the 3 designs that we will be printing. And we also have Kor-chem here going over the Pro automatic screen reclaiming system. It'll be a lot of fun, about $5,000 in prizes and gifts. We've got a lot of giveaway products as well as product samples on that. And as I mentioned, of course, tacos and beer. Who don't like tacos and beer? Or we've also got sodas. Stop by Friday, April 26th from 10 till 5. Check it out at colormatrix.com. Give us a like or a share. And as always, God bless.